Topic 16. My dream job. My dream job is to become a teacher because I want to help students learn and succeed in their lives. I believe teaching is a very important and meaningful job. Teachers not only give knowledge, but also guide students to become good people. Since I was young, I have admired my teachers. They are kind, patient, and always ready to help. They explain lessons clearly and encourage students to do their best. Because of them, I feel inspired to become a teacher in the future. In my dream, I teach students in a classroom. I help them learn English, read books, and understand new ideas. I want my students to feel happy and confident in my class. I will use simple methods to make learning easy and fun. To achieve my dream, I know I must study hard and improve my knowledge every day. I practice English, read books, and learn new skills. I also try to be patient and helpful like my teachers. Being a teacher is not only a job, it is a responsibility. I want to help students build a good future and become successful in life. I believe education can change people's lives. I will continue to work hard to achieve my dream job. One day, I hope to become a good teacher and make a positive difference in the world.